So here's how to see who liked you on Tinder. Keep in mind that you will need a Tinder subscription in order to see who liked you. But before we start, if you don't already have Tinder, you can click on my link down in the description. So first of all, we will head over to the Tinder application. Once you're here, you will get to see multiple options on the bottom panel. And without Tinder Gold, the best way to know is by swiping right. So if you swipe right on someone and they have liked you, it will show that it's a match. And after the match, if you go over to chats on the bottom, you'll be taken to this page. This is where all your messages and contacts on Tinder will be. If you have Tinder Platinum or Gold, you'll be able to see your likes by going to the like section on the bottom. But without that, this is the best option. So this way, just keep swiping right and you'll be able to see who liked you. And that is exactly how to see who liked you on Tinder.